In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to apply a light lace finish. Well, this is actually a medium lace finish on this room addition that we did here. And I'm gonna take you step by step on how to do it. So don't forget to like and subscribe. And hopefully you learned something here today. All right, today we're in the beautiful city of Long Beach, and I'm gonna be showing you how to achieve this stucco texture finish. So this is an existing house, and they built an addition. So we got to match the existing addition with our stucco. This is a painted surface, so eventually to match this color, they're gonna have to paint it to match this color. So stick with me, I'm gonna show you how to achieve this texture. All right, in this part of the video, you have two guys on the top level. One is actually cutting in between the rafter tails, and the other guy's kind of floating behind them. But you can see that we already got the wall on the left side already floated out. We have everything already masked off. We set up the scaffolding, and we have the stucco mixed up. And these are all things that are self-explanatory that I didn't post on the video. I figured if you're taking on this task, you probably already know how to do those things. Here we have Miguel dropping back and Martin on the top. And what they're doing here is you got one guy on the top, one guy on the bottom. You don't want to have them both on the same level because you're going to have a joint in the middle. So he drops back and starts doing the bottom section. That way he doesn't have a joint in between. If they were to continue this on the top, then you're going to have a big joint all the way across the middle. And what happens is the stucco dries up. And when you put the old stucco on top of the new one, you're going to have a big black joint there. And it's going to be very visible and it's going to look ugly. So I sped up the video just to make it more viewable. And what they're doing now is they're putting on the first coat of stucco, and they're floating it out with the red float. So this is not the texture coat yet. For the texture, you're gonna have to wait for that first coat to dry up a little bit. That way it becomes rough, and that way you can skip your trowel over the existing sand finish. And that's how you achieve the medium lace texture that you're looking for to match the existing existing house. But here you have Miguel applying the medium lace texture. It doesn't look like much when it's sped up, but that's how it's applied. You just skip your trowel over the existing sand finish that's there once it dries up a little bit. I'm gonna slow it down here for you guys so you guys can see the magic here. So you want to have your stucco not too loose, but not too heavy. So just kind of find the sweet spot for it. And you kind of got to skip your trowel onto the existing sand finish little by little. Here I'm going to let the audio play. That way you can see how you can hear the sound of the actual trowel skipping on the existing sand finish there. You can get a better idea. If you're like me, you're very visual. You can learn from actually seeing and hearing. But take a listen to this. This is what your wall should look like when you're completely done and you got your masking off. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and you learned something new. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.